Hello, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to try out a quick mango mousse recipe using just 3 ingredients. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So the ingredients required are chopped mango. In here I've got a puree of mangoes and sugar. I've got some whipped cream in here which I've already beaten for 4 minutes on high speed using an electric beater. Make sure you refrigerate this until you are ready to use it. So let's start making the mango mousse. So first I've taken 1/4 cup of the mango puree which I had made. I'm going to add it to the whipped cream. Now using a spatula, I'm going to just fold in the mangoes into the cream. Be very gentle. You don't want to make the cream loose. So I've mixed the mango and the whipped cream and it's ready now. Let's transfer this into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a Ziploc bag and fill it up with this whipping cream. So I've got the whipping cream ready in a Ziploc bag. I've taken 3 shot glasses like this. To begin with, we'll take the rest of the mango puree and drop it at the bottom of the glass. Now just tap it so that it sets at the bottom. I'm going to take my Ziploc bag and cut the end like this and pipe the cream onto the mango. Cream has been piped in. We'll just put a few pieces of mango on top. Now we'll put this in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or until the mousse sets. So the mango mousse is ready. Do try this recipe before the mango season is over and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.